So this is the first time I come over and I'm opening experience with Serverware. Okay, so they show us how we are able to assemble the whole server, okay, from scratch. We build up the whole thing. So I'm encouraging youngsters and IT students, even management students, right? They are able to join this kind of course.
Jadi orang kata kita datang sini terhibur dan banyak ilmu baru, teknologi baru yang ada di pasaran, kita boleh grab dan kita boleh bawa balik ke tempat kerja untuk kita praktiskan.
I actually had interest in building a server before, and I just didn't have the resources, So this event really gave me a good foundation to start off from.
We had a bump in the earlier on of setting up the servers, but there's few guides, like 4 guides provided, so we quickly catch up.
Yeah, but then even if we couldn't catch up, right, we had help from the people who are so kind and patient. They just help us set up, tell us what's wrong, and just help us solve everything.